So my name is Tanya, and as you can see, I'm literally having all makeup all over me, and I'm a person who's not really interested in makeup before. But now after this entire session, I know that you can do a lot of things within a few limited resources like kajal and how to put it and all of it. So the session was really great, and I'm pretty sure when I go for an event, I can dress up and put makeup really well. So that is it, and it was a really good session. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanya.
Hi, I'm Suparna, and I came here because there were a lot of things. I go to a lot of events and I perform on stage. So, and I always struggle with my makeup. But today, after this session, I know the tricks and what to do and how to enhance your features, and I think it was really helpful. So thank you so much.
My name is Hannah. I have been wanting to learn about makeup for like quite a while, and it just seems like today's workshop is kind of like the start of it, and it really gave me a boost to go through it and learn whatever I've been meaning to learn, and it was extremely there was a lot of information to take in, and there was a lot of great things that I learned. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anaga Nene. I have come to Image Canvas where Kanchan and Dhara have enlightened us with a lot of knowledge on skincare, the shapes of faces, contouring on the faces, how it is done, and all the techniques we have learned. I strongly recommend to attend this class to everybody, and I've learned how to put makeup for normal daily wear. Dara was very informative, and she knows her stuff, her knowledge, her subject very well, and I was very happy for a day where I think you can see on the this, and I can post a pre and post picture of me. So I recommend this class to everybody, and at least to know the basics of eyeliner and this. So, and Kanchan and Dara were very friendly, and I had a great time.
Hi, I'm Sumedha Karmarkar. I've come to Image Canvas to do a course, a one-day course on do-it-yourself makeup. It was very helpful, and Kanchan and Dara were very informative, and all the information we've got is very useful, and especially the contouring part of the face, how to highlight and how to make the face look, the face shape look better, was very helpful, very interesting.
Thank you.
We'll definitely come and attend many other courses if there is any further.
Yeah, hi, I'm Manali. I came down to this makeup workshop for a one day from Dombivli, and I think when I came over here I was quite pale. Now you can see me bubbly chubbly with a pinky face. So thanks to Dhara and thanks to Kanchan ma'am for making this happen. I wish them all the best for this session, and I could think that they could make much more sessions like this and make ladies beautiful. So thanks to both of them, and I look forward for more sessions next time. Thank you very much.
Hello, myself Kanchan, and I'm very happy and very excited about this Image Canvas. And I said especially thanks to Miss Dhara ma'am and Miss Kanchan ma'am. And I'm very confident about myself that when I will go outside, I will do a makeup and they can told the very simple steps that how the eyeliner that we have to put and how we can blush up and all these things. And I'm very thankful to both of them. That's
Hi, my name is Aparna. This is my second workshop with Kanchan, and I'm very happy to be back for this second one. I'm very happy. I think I'm going back with a lot of confidence and a lot of grace. I found this workshop very useful for me, basically regarding my eye makeup and my lip makeup and regarding my skin. So I think it was very nice, very wonderful. So thank you very much Kanchan, and very special thanks to Dhara for allowing us to do it ourselves. So that was the best part of it. So looking forward for more such programs. So and I love coming back to Kanchan. So thank you very much. Thanks.